So we're gonna look at this keyboard E-Yooso. I just got it on Amazon. It was around $20. I don't remember. I think the price went up. So let's take a look at it. It says ergonomic, adjustable DPI, probably for the mouse. Well compatible, light effects, USB, plug and play, CQ 109. Where are they? Keyboard and mouse. There'll be a link in the descriptions in the bottom if you need it. Let's see. There it is. We're still looking at the case, box, I mean. Like and subscribe if you guys can. Here's the back. There's some info, lighting effects, 4 adjustable DPIs, ergonomics, keys, DPIs, levels, there's a resolution, ergonomics, lighting effects. And here's the other info. And then other info. Asian. Nothing. Yeah, that's it. So let's take a look at it. So here's the keyboard itself, and then there's the mouse. The mouse. One side button, another side button, and a DPI button right there, I think. Here's a clicky of it. Scroll has a grip on it. And yeah, there's info on the back on that. And a logo, sort of. Maybe that's a logo, I'm not sure. Here it is, the keyboard. There's a lot of button things. Looks like monitor, website, stop play, which is nice. No volume. Looks like, let's see. That one is speakers. Let's turn it on. So it's FN. Okay, let's see. Star. Nope. Star. Nope. Nope, that one doesn't work. Oh, mail does work. Look, mail worked. Okay, so to change the lighting, it's like F1 or something over here. Insert. This is just different colors in rainbow. Yellow. Green. Push F2 again. Colors. Dark. Not sure. We'll have to read the manual for that. And then there's this lighting. Slower. Faster. And then off. Oh, this is not off. This is typing. Ooh, that's cool. Let's see. Let's go slower. And then let's just go to lighting. This one to change F up to change brightness and F down to change that. So this one would be sine. Is this sine wave over there? I'm not sure. So just blinking. Oh, that's cool. When works. So yeah, and then let's see here. Plus the logo lights off or on. And then the back. 2 stands. It looks like water leakage out. So yeah, let's take a look at the instructions. Here are the instructions. One page. Let's see. Brightness adjustment, if you guys want to read it, if you guys don't have it. Trail light, breathing. Breathing loop mode. This one is custom key lighting, volume, favorite, search, and then the top buttons, media, Windows functions, And then mouse right over there. Specs. And then it's in Chinese, I don't even know what that is. And then the other paper is, let's see, warranty, I think. Warranty in Chinese. Yep, can't read that. So yeah, that's it. That's a keyboard for $20. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that there's a lot of different combinations of colors, but the keying is nice and quiet, which is nice. If you don't like the too clickety one, too much click, and you have like other people who want to sleep, or you just want to game and don't want to hear the clicking, yeah. So thanks for watching. See you guys. Like and subscribe.